In a world ravaged by technological excess and environmental collapse, humanity clings to survival in the sprawling megacity of Neo-Terminus. Towering skyscrapers pierce the polluted sky, their neon signs flickering like dying stars. Below, in the perpetual twilight of the street level, citizens scurry like rats, their faces hidden behind air filtration masks. The elite live in sealed biodomes atop the tallest structures, while the masses struggle in the toxic smog below. Surveillance drones buzz overhead, their watchful eyes ever present. In this bleak future, water is more precious than gold, and food is synthesized in massive underground labs. The line between human and machine blurs as cybernetic enhancements become necessary for survival. As resources dwindle and tensions rise, whispers of rebellion echo through the dark alleys of Neo-Terminus. But in a world where every thought is monitored and every action controlled, can hope truly exist?